Former Trump lawyer Michael Cohen is set to attend the upcoming fraud trial of Donald Trump, marking the first face-to-face encounter between the two in 5 years. Cohen, also known for his book Revenge, shared his anticipation for this meeting, explaining that he is looking forward to Trump being held accountable for his actions. The prolonged delay in holding Trump accountable for allegedly misrepresenting his assets on official financial documents has raised questions, which have caused him immense personal torment in the past. Cohen attributes this delay to the secretive nature of the Trump Organization, likening it to a close-knit mafia-like operation with a code of silence. He emphasizes that it took insider knowledge, which he provided through numerous testimonies and disclosures, to unveil the truth behind the organization's dealings. New York Attorney General Tish James is leading the charge against Trump in what has been described as a corporate death sentence for him. Cohen, who has played a key role in this legal battle, explains the implications of Trump losing control over his real estate holdings in New York. He clarifies that it goes beyond just a few properties, it includes the loss of licenses and certificates of incorporation that make up the Trump Corporation, along with hundreds of subsidiary companies. This, Cohen asserts, will have catastrophic financial consequences for Trump, who has always feared losing his wealth and status as a billionaire. Addressing the question of whether Trump will show up for the trial, Cohen expresses doubts, giving it less than a 20% chance. He anticipates that Trump's appearance, if it happens, would be to watch the proceedings rather than testify himself. Cohen highlights the significance of the trial, which will examine valuations and determine damages. Attorney General James has mentioned a baseline of $250 million in damages, but Cohen suggests it could exceed $600 million. He also points out that while Trump doesn't own the residential buildings in New York City, he does have commercial interests that will be liquidated to pay off determined damages. Regarding Trump's willingness to testify, Cohen doesn't believe Trump's claims of looking forward to it, citing Trump's history of making false statements. He suggests that Trump is unlikely to testify, as doing so would potentially further implicate himself. Reflecting on his own role in the case, Cohen believes that Trump underestimated him as an adversary. He recalls that one of the reasons Trump hired him in 2006 was because of his ability to navigate such legal challenges. Cohen also references a past statement where he mentioned being willing to take a bullet for Trump, clarifying that this commitment didn't extend to protecting Trump from the consequences of his own actions. Cohen also touches on Trump's deposition scheduled for Tuesday, involving a $500 million lawsuit against him. He speculates that Trump might have declared his intention to attend the trial in New York to delay this deposition. Trump's repeated delays in this case have raised eyebrows, as it is unusual for a plaintiff to stall their own lawsuit. Cohen suggests that Trump may be trying to avoid self-incrimination, especially since he has mentioned the need for legal counsel Todd Blanche to prevent him from implicating himself. In conclusion, Cohen believes that the case against Trump, led by Attorney General James, is far from ordinary. He anticipates that it will ultimately be dismissed, whether or not Trump shows up for a deposition. The legal battle continues to unfold, with significant implications for Trump's financial and legal future.